This is how Mr. Beast, one of the biggest creators on YouTube, made his fortune. Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, is a 24 years old entrepreneur and philanthropist who rose to fame on YouTube for his extravagant challenge videos and acts of generosity. But his journey to becoming a multi-millionaire and one of the most influential creators on the platform was not an easy one. Mr. Beast first started his channel in 2012 when he was just a teenager. At the time, he was posting videos of himself playing video games and doing challenges with his friends. Despite being a relatively small channel at the time, Mr. Beast quickly gained a following for his energetic and entertaining personality. When Jimmy had around 20,000 subscribers, he had to go to college, forced by his mother. But he hated that idea more than anything. However, he was conditioned to either go to college or get a job and rent. So he took the highest risk and he tricked his mother that he's going to college, when in fact he was working on his videos and editing them in his car 15 hours a day. It was an all or nothing move, which surprisingly paid off. Jimmy returned home with a great achievement of around $20,000 and moved out from his parents' home. In 2016, Mr. Beast started to focus more on philanthropic content, where he would surprise people with large amounts of money or gifts. These videos were extremely popular and helped to establish Mr. Beast's reputation as a kind and generous person. But it wasn't until 2017 that Mr. Beast's channel really took off. He started doing large-scale challenge videos, such as Last to Live Circle wins $10,000 and the 24-hour overnight challenge in my pool. These videos gained millions of views and helped Mr. Beast's channel grow even more. Today, Mr. Beast is known for extravagant and elaborate challenge videos, where he often gives away large sums of money or expensive prizes. He has also become known for his philanthropy, having donated millions of dollars to various charities and causes. But Mr. Beast's success on YouTube isn't just about the money he makes from advertising and sponsorships. He has also built a successful merchandise line with products ranging from clothes to accessories. Jimmy has also ventured into other areas of entertainment, such as music and acting. In summary, Mr. Beast became successful on YouTube through a combination of entertaining content, philanthropy, and business savvy. He has built a loyal following by consistently creating engaging and memorable videos. He has also found ways to monetize his brand beyond just advertising revenue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'm sure you'll want to watch this video right here.